Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to build wealth and secure their financial future: budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. It's about understanding your income, expenses, and financial goals, and then creating a plan to manage your money effectively. But where do you start? First, take a close look at your income. How much money do you bring in each month? This includes your salary, any side hustle income, and other sources of revenue. Once you have a clear picture of your income, it's time to track your expenses. This means recording everything you spend money on, from rent and groceries to coffee and entertainment. Voiceover with your income and expenses in hand, it's time to create a budget. Allocate your income to different categories, making sure to prioritize essentials like housing, food, and savings. But remember, a budget isn't set in stone. Life happens, and it's okay to adjust your budget as needed. The key is to stay flexible and proactive about managing your finances. Don't forget to set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial journey. And there you have it. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. By understanding your income, tracking your expenses, and setting goals, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future.